Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change font size on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so if you guys feel your font size on your phone is too small or too big, don't need to be worried because you can reformat it or you can change the size of your phone easily. And how to do that is very easy guys. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial on how to change font size. Okay guys, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then now you can scroll down and go to display and brightness, and then now you can scroll down and then you can go to font settings, sorry, yeah, this one, and then now you can maximize or minimize your font size, and then here's the result. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change font size on Redmi Note 14, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.